Hi everyone, just a very quick video update before I rush off to work. So I had my 2-week wait, which I'll talk about briefly in a second. But I was supposed to test Sunday, couldn't hold out basically, and tested Saturday, so just 24 hours earlier. And I'm thrilled to say that I'm pregnant. So it was, yeah, best outcome possible, obviously. Really, really thrilled. And we are going for our 6-week scan on the 25th of September to see how many babies there are, because as I mentioned in my last video, we had 2 blasts transferred. So yeah, thrilled, absolutely thrilled. So with regards to 2-week wait, I'm not going to lie to you, it's so hard. It will be the longest 11 days or 14 days, however long you have to wait, of your life. It's ridiculous. My main advice with regards to testing, in the UK we don't have these beta things, well I certainly don't, where obviously you go and have your blood work taken, etc, etc. Here it's a case of you do a home pregnancy test and that's it. Sorry for the weird noise, that was my dog. Yeah, she doesn't like people. Yeah, so basically it was a case of home pregnancy test early. Now, I know obviously some of you do get blood work taken instead. I really would advise, if you can hold out, don't take a test early. I mean, obviously I did my 24 hours early. I reckon 24 hours is okay. But if you're testing at like 5 days, after your egg transfer and things like that, the likelihood is you're going to get a negative. It's just not worth it, because it's not worth the possible heartache, and then obviously then it could be actually positive. So yeah, that would be my main advice. With regard to symptoms, I did have symptoms. Number one, I am bloated like a balloon, and the bit like below my belly button, well I say not right below it, maybe a couple of inches, is as hard as a rock. It's been like that for a few days, but the bloating's just got a bit worse. Apparently that's really normal for IVF patients, so I don't know. I guess it's the progesterone that we obviously have to take. So there's been that. Also, like odd. I mean, I've been having a tiny bit of cramping, but it hasn't felt like period cramping. It's been different. It's kind of like from within. I know that sounds really weird, but it's just less obvious, and like pulling sensations as well. Also, on a couple of occasions when I've been in bed at night, where I guess my uterus is, it's kind of felt like someone's been blowing up a balloon inside me, which is a little bit strange. I guess it's a little bit of weight gain. There's nothing you can do about that, so I'd rather be pregnant and all that jazz. And what else? Oh, tiny little headaches, but they literally last for maybe, no word of a lie, about 2 minutes and then they go. And this is what made my husband think I was pregnant, being a little bit forgetful. I know some of these symptoms should be coming way in the future, but it's been kind of like me saying to him, oh, that thingy that we have to do, you know what I mean, and I couldn't remember what I was trying to say or get it out. Um, so, but yes. Anyway, that's basically been how it's been for me. But yeah, I'm really, really happy, and going back to work today for the first time in a couple of weeks, which I'm not very much looking forward to, but needs must. And the baby or babies are due in May. So, but I will obviously keep you updated. To all those in the same situation as me right now, congratulations. To others, who are going through the 2-week wait at the moment, good luck. Just be patient and maybe try and do things like we went to see Wicked in London, and went to the movies a couple of times, just things to try and take my mind off it. That's a really really good thing to do. But I wish everyone all the health and happiness, and I will be in touch and let you know what happens on the 25th. Okay, alright, take care. See you, bye bye.